Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.